No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Hey, hey. I've been through the fire. I've been through the fire. Walked through the rain. Every time I fall down, I rise again. They said I was finished. They counted me out, but God keeps showing up every time I doubt. I don't need the perfect road, I just need the one who knows every valley, every height. He's been my strength, He's been my life. You can't break what God has sealed. You can't steal what God revealed. I'm not moved by what I see, I'm only moved by what He's done in me. Yeah. I am unbreakable, unbreakable, built on the rock that never moves. The ground, let the storms come down, I will still be standing on His ground. I am unbreakable, unbreakable in You. Unbreakable in You. When the walls close in and the night feels long, it's when I remember when my hope belongs. Not in what I have, not in what I see, but in the God who spoke and set the whole world free. I don't need the answers now, I just need to trust somehow. He who started this in me will finish it in victory. You can't break what God has sealed. You can't steal what God revealed. I'm not moved by what I see, I'm only moved by what He's done in me. I am unbreakable, unbreakable, built on the rock that never moves. I am unbreakable, unbreakable, nothing can separate me from Your truth. Shake the ground, let the storms come down, I will still be standing on His ground. I am unbreakable, unbreakable in You. Unbreakable in You. The giants fall, the mountains move when I speak His name. There's nothing I can't do. The giants fall, the mountains move. I was made to stand in the power of His truth. Greater is He living inside of me.